Hello and welcome to my video. Today we are going to solve the following equation: x to the power of log base 7 of 2 times 3 to the power of log base 7 of x equals 36. I encourage you to try to solve this problem by yourself, but if you just want to see how I do it, here we go. Before we handle this equation, first let's take a look at one useful property of logarithms, and that is a to the power of log base b of c equals c to the power of log base b of a, meaning that these a and c are interchangeable. To prove this, let us take a look at not just the left-hand side, but log base b of the left-hand side. So here, this exponent part can come right here. So we have log base b of c times log base b of a. And here, the order of multiplication can be changed. So therefore, we have log base b of a times log base b of c. Here, this log base b of a can go to right here at the exponent position. So we have log base b of c to the power of log base b of a. Therefore, from this relation, these parts must be the same. So we have a to the power of log base b of c equals c to the power of log base b of a. Hence, we have proved the lemma. And now let us apply this to our specific equation. Here, we have to manipulate this equation a little bit, and we can do it in two ways. So first, in this part of the left-hand side, let us change the base of the exponent into 2 by interchanging x and 2. Then we have 2 to the power of log base 7 of x times 3 to the power of log base 7 of x equals 36. So we now have the same exponent. So by the power rule, we can write 2 times 3 to the power of log base 7 of x equals 36. So we have 6 to the power of log base 7 of x equals, and 36 is 6 squared. Therefore, by equating the exponents, we have log base 7 of x equals 2. Therefore, we have x equals 49. And this is our answer. Or we can do it in another way. And that is, in the second part of the left-hand side, let us change the base of the exponent into x by exchanging 3 and x. Then we have x to the power of log base 7 of 3 here equals 36. So now we have the same base. And here, by the power rule, the exponents must be now added. And this part can be written as x to the power of log base 7 of 2 times 3. So we have x to the power of log base 7 of 6 equals 36. Now there are more than one way to solve this type of equation, but here let us just take log base 6 on both sides. Then this part can be extracted. So we have log base 7 of 6 times log base 6 of x equals, and because 36 is simply 6 squared, the right hand side is simply 2. Now here, log base 7 of 6 is equal to 1 over log base 6 of 7, which is the famous reciprocal relation of logarithm. So we have log base 6 of x over log base 6 of 7 equals 2. Therefore, we have log base 6 of x equals 2 times log base 6 of 7. And here, if we send this 2 to here, we have log base 6 of 7 squared here. And therefore, we have x equals 49. So we arrived at the same answer. So that's all for this video. And just like many other equation problems, there may be other approaches to solve this equation other than these two methods that I have just shown. And if you have come up with another method, feel free to share it at the comment section. And as always, I will see you in another video.